mango custard pudding. But first, we have to make custard pudding. To make a custard pudding, we have custard powder, half liter milk, sugar and vanilla essence. Take 3 spoons of milk and pour it in the custard powder. Stir it nicely. So no lumps should be found. Now I'm gonna boil the milk. Stir it nicely. Now the milk is boiled. I reduce the flame and pour the custard milk to the boiled milk. But before pouring the custard milk to the boiled milk, I have to stir it. Now, I pour the custard milk to the boiled milk. Take the sugar and put 3 drops. Now take the vanilla essence. Add 2 drops of vanilla essence and stir it nicely. Now let us switch off the gas and keep it cool. Now I am going to pour the custard milk to this bowl. Now keep it in the fridge to cool it. Now take 2 mango and peel it and cut it into small pieces. The mango pieces are ready. Now I will put the mango pieces inside the jar of the mixie. Add 3 spoons of sugar. And grind it up to make the pulp. Our mango pulp is also ready. I have taken the custard from the fridge. Now let's see how to make mango custard pudding. So first, take 3 scoops of custard. Now take 3 scoops of mango pulp. You can also use a bowl if you want. Now take some mangoes. Now take some pomegranate. This is for decoration. And that's how mango custard pudding is ready. Delicious!